Yo, what's going on, folks? Retrospective Dave here, and welcome to my official legit check of the Reimagined Black Toe Air Jordan 1. So the first thing you want to do is check for the RFID behind the box label. This RFID should look the same across all Reimagined Black Toe pairs. If your RFID looks different from what you see on screen here, then consider that a red flag. When you flip your insoles over, the authentic pairs should have the men to women size conversion underneath the insole. Some of the fake pairs, at least for now, are using the Dream Cell template, which is incorrect. Moving on to the sizing tag, the factory code of my pair reads XC. Some replicas out there will have XH as a factory code, which is what you see here. It's very common for replicas to use overseas retail pairs as a template, so that XH factory code could be present on some of the overseas retail pairs as well. If you end up with an overseas retail pair, then you'll most likely have a sticker on your left insole that looks like this. Otherwise, if you end up with a stateside authentic pair, then you'll most likely have the sizing stickers that are placed above your Nike logo on both your insoles. As for your production dates, the dates that you see on screen here may not match the ones that you have on your pair. However, the dates on your pair should be the same between your left and right shoe. In the event that your dates are not the same, that doesn't mean that your shoe is necessarily fake. However, it is becoming a standard for your left and right shoe to have matching dates. As for the Air Jordan branding on the ankle, depending on the amount of depth that it has, this could be indicative of a fake as well. Retail pairs will have a smaller logo and won't be pressed into the material as much as it is on the fake. Looking at the signature on the medial side of the left shoe, the authentic looks like it was signed with a white ink pen that faded over time. In this side-by-side comparison, you can see that the signature on the fake takes on the same color as the background. A few more things to note about the shoe itself. Make sure that you have a code underneath your tongue tab. Make sure that you have shoe paper instead of shoe trees. And you'll also want to make sure that you have yellow tape on your footbed. A lot of the replica pairs are using white tape. Moving on to the box, you should have a red stamp underneath your box lid. Authentic pairs do not come with a YCM sticker. However, most replica pairs will. There are no stickers or stamps underneath the box, and the official colorway for this shoe is white, black, varsity red, and sail. So I must say that this is a very risky shoe to order online. Reason being is because it was supposed to come out in October or November 2024, but was pushed back to February 2025. And within that time frame, a lot of the replicas were flooding the markets. Fortunately, this shoe did not sell out, so if you still want a pair for retail, just check with your local retail stores to see if your size is available. If you got something useful out of this video, definitely hit the like, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new content, and until then, stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.